to learn letters with our animals. We have a little bird. B. We have a bee. B for bird. Our bird is yellow. We have a yellow bird. Bird. Horse. We have a brown horse. H. H is for horse. Horse. We have a gray alligator. Alligator. What letter was he standing on? A for alligator. A. Do you see a yellow giraffe? Here's our giraffe. Giraffe. And he's yellow. A yellow giraffe. What letter was he standing on? G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Do you see a pink parrot? That's right. Here's our pink parrot. What does parrot start with? And our parrot was sitting on a P. P for parrot. Do you see a brown monkey? I do. And she's right here. A brown monkey. Oh, and she's got a little baby on her back. See the baby? Monkey. And what was our monkey sitting on? M. Monkey. And our last one is an elephant playing with a ball. Elephant. Do you know what elephant starts with? Elephant. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. Here's all of our letters. B, A, P, E, M, G, H. Can you spell any words with these letters? I see ape. A, P, E spells ape. I would sure like to know what your favorite animal is. Leave your answer in the comments. How about map? M-A-P spells map. Map. How about ham? H-A-M. We've spelled ham. Ham. If you could spell any other words with our letters here today, list them in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. You just learned 3 words, colors, and animals.